Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Chase app. You click on settings. Here on this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we click on Chase app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.